I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your design home app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just go down here, so then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here can you're looking for design home app, or just search for it, and here add design home, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache, then you just go to your Play Store. So click here on Play Store, and here you search for design home. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, so just click on update, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.